Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin long-term holders are capitulating at concerning levels while institutional buyers can't offset the selling pressure. Charles Schwab is launching direct Bitcoin and Ethereum trading for $12 trillion in client assets. Corporate Bitcoin treasuries are cracking under debt pressure as the permanent buyer narrative collapses. Bitcoin trades at $67,036 this morning, but beneath that seemingly stable price lies a market thinning from the inside. While ETFs and institutions purchased approximately 94,000 Bitcoin in March, overall 30-day net demand remains negative at minus 63,000 Bitcoin. That means the rest of the market sold roughly 157,000 Bitcoin during the same period. Long-term holder capitulation has reached extreme levels. Since March 11th, Bitcoin long-term holder spent output ratio has dipped below 0.8 on 7 occasions, indicating long-term holders are realizing losses of approximately 25% from their cost basis. Whale behavior has reversed dramatically. Large holders with 1,000 to 10,000 Bitcoin wallets were adding 200,000 Bitcoin 1 year ago. Today they're removing 188,000 Bitcoin. That's a nearly 400,000 Bitcoin swing in 18 months. Meanwhile, 46% of Bitcoin's circulating supply is now held at a loss, with the critical $60,000 level emerging as a behavioral threshold that could trigger cascading selling pressure. Charles Schwab announced direct Bitcoin and Ethereum trading launching in Q2 2026 for its 38.9 million active brokerage accounts, managing over $12 trillion in client assets. This follows Morgan Stanley's Bitcoin ETF approval opening access to 16,000 financial advisors managing $6.2 trillion. The corporate Bitcoin treasury strategy is showing structural cracks. Genius Group liquidated its entire Bitcoin treasury, selling its last 84 Bitcoin in Q1 to pay $8.5 million in debt. Marathon Digital sold 15,133 Bitcoin worth approximately $1.1 billion in March to retire convertible senior notes. Ethereum trades at $2,044, approaching multi-year lows as analyst Minga targets a macro bottom zone between $1,190 and $1,148. The Ethereum Foundation staked over 45,000 ETH on April 3rd. Quantum computing threats are accelerating Bitcoin security initiatives. Google research suggests a sufficiently powerful quantum computer could break Bitcoin's core cryptography in under 9 minutes, with analysts warning such threats could emerge by 2029. Approximately 6.5 million Bitcoins are potentially vulnerable. Prediction markets signal April chaos ahead. Confidence in Strait of Hormuz normalization collapsed from 76.5% to 9.5%, while 76.5% of traders now bet WTI crude will exceed $120 per barrel in April. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.